A vertical takeoff and landing or VTOL aircraft is one that can take off and land vertically without relying on a runway. This classification can include a variety of types of aircraft, including helicopters, as well as thrust-vectoring fixed-wing aircraft and other hybrid aircraft with powered rotors. Electrical VTOLs are being developed along with more autonomous flight control technologies and mobility as a service to enable advanced air mobility that could include on-demand air taxi services, regional air mobility, freight delivery, and personal air vehicles. Vertical Aerospace's VX4 Aircraft is an example of an eVTOL under development. VX4, the electric VTOL capable aircraft from British aviation startup Vertical Aerospace, completed its first takeoff from the ground on September 25, 2022, the company said in a press release. Also referred to as Wheels Up, the milestone is a major boost for American Airlines, which has plans to incorporate 250 such aircraft into its fleet when they are available. The VX4 is claimed to be a piloted, zero-emissions electric VTOL vehicle. The VX4 is claimed to be capable of traveling over 200 miles per hour with a range of over 100 miles and capacity for 4 passengers and a pilot. The proposed aircraft is intended to operate in and out of cities and other confined locations. The VX4 is claimed to be 100 times quieter and safer than a helicopter. It would rely on its fixed wing for lift during most of the flight. This shift follows a broader move across the eVTOL industry towards wing-borne lift plus cruise and vectored thrust concepts, due to the efficiency gains wing-borne lift offers during the cruise portion of the flight. The aircraft accomplished its first takeoff and landing while tethered to the ground in September of 2022. The aircraft has orders from American Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, and AirAsia, among others. Powered by a greater than 1 megawatt powertrain, which was developed in association with Rolls-Royce, the VX4 is designed to reach a top speed of 202 miles an hour. The powertrain used is said to be the world's lightest and safest electric powertrain. Its range of 100 miles may seem a bit short, but the eVTOL is expected to carry not more than 4 passengers apart from a pilot, so it's likely to be used for about 30-minute trips between airports or across the city. The aircraft is set to contain advanced avionics similar to the F-35, one of the few supersonic VTOL military aircraft today. This ensures reduced pilot workload and advanced automatics in aviation. Inside an aircraft hangar, the VX4 took off from the ground for the very first time, piloted by Justin Paynes, the company's test pilot. The test flight was rather short, lasting only 10 minutes, and the aircraft only rose to a height of about 3 feet or under 1 meter while being tethered to the ground. Since this was a piloted test, it required the necessary authorizations from the Civil Aviation Authority in the UK. According to the press release, the company insisted on a piloted flight to demonstrate its commitment and compliance with safety standards. Vertical Aerospace aims to have its VTOLs certified for flight by 2025. The eVTOL market is picking up pace as cities and airline companies are looking for electric-powered and greener means of aerial transport. The range limitation is still an ongoing concern, but VTOL's capacity has opened up new avenues in urban transport. And that's all, folks. We hope you found this episode interesting, as it explains a lot about VTOL and electric aircraft.